2024 model year takes the GMC Sierra heavy-duty lineup to new heights with premium luxury and comfort, turbocharged pulling power and elevated technology, offering the most trailering assistance technology in its class. The new Sierra heavy-duty lineup includes 2500 HD and 3500 HD models, in regular cab, extended cab and crew cab configurations, with dual rear wheel models available on 3500 HD. They support the lineup's highest trailering capacity, up to 36,000 pounds. Available trims include Pro, SLE, SLT, AT4, Denali and Denali Ultimate, with the off-road optimized AT4X trim coming later in the model year. The new Sierra heavy-duty lineup is elevated with styling and design updates, inside and out. Exterior highlights include revised front bumper, fascia, grille designs and finishes on each trim, animated lighting when approaching, starting, or when using the turn signals. New wheel designs and larger 18-inch polished aluminum wheels on dual rear wheel models, new 22-inch accessory wheels. Rear wheelhouse liners standard on Denali and Denali Ultimate dual rear wheel models. Inside, GMC designers set apart Sierra from the competition with unique, new interiors on SLE and SLT trims, as well as unique GMC premium interior designs for AT4, Denali and Denali Ultimate trims. There are also new color and stitching designs throughout, with more premium materials throughout the cabin, further elevating the Sierra's premium look and feel. The centerpiece of Sierra's high-tech interior cabin is the new available 13.4-inch diagonal tablet-style touchscreen, the largest infotainment touchscreen in its class. Situated in landscape orientation, the touchscreen offers a user-friendly, customizable experience. An available multicolor 15-inch diagonal head-up display and a new available 12.3-inch diagonal digital instrument cluster are also added in 2024 model year. Together, this creates over 40 inches of immersive digital displays, helping to provide an engaging, customizable and comprehensive driving experience. The all-new touchscreen infotainment center can be configured to a user's preference, including the ability to operate multiple apps simultaneously in a split-screen view. The first-ever Sierra heavy-duty Denali Ultimate is the most premium, luxurious and technologically advanced Sierra HD yet, equipped with unique enhancements to the overall design and premium interior appointments, more standard technologies and standard turbocharged performance with the enhanced 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel and Allison 10-speed transmission. The Denali Ultimate is distinguished by an exterior featuring a unique grille and GMC badging in exclusive Vader chrome, along with exclusive 20-inch ultra-bright machined aluminum wheels with high-gloss black accents, and unique fender badging featuring topography of Mount Denali, the highest point in North America. Additionally, Denali Ultimate will include a 6-way multi-pro tailgate with a standard kicker audio system. Power assist steps also come standard. Inside, Denali Ultimate's exclusive Alpine Umber interior reaches new heights of premium luxury and comfort in a heavy-duty truck. Full-grain leather appointments and open-pore pull-down wood meticulously adorn the interior trim. The wood's darkened finish creates a distinctive color blend, while the unique graining adds bespoke attention to detail. The available enhanced 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel, paired with the 10-speed Allison transmission, now delivers 470 horsepower at 2,800 revolutions per minute and 975 pound-feet at 1,600 revolutions per minute of torque, offering more power across the entire operating speed range. Specifically, low-end torque production increases up to 25% compared to the current model for improved towing performance. The Elysion 10-speed automatic transmission is now paired with the Sierra HD's standard 6.6-liter gas engine. It replaces the previous 6-speed automatic, offering smaller steps between the gears, which enables the 6.6-liter gas engine to hold closer to its peak 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque for longer periods. That translates into a more confident feeling of on-demand power, regardless of whether the truck is towing a trailer. But when it is, trailering performance and capability are enhanced thanks in part to the 10-speed configuration, along with the capability of channeling every single pound-foot of torque to the tires in every gear. The 2024 Sierra Heavy Duty will also offer the most trailering assistance technologies in the heavy-duty class through the available ProGrade trailering system. The ProGrade trailering system includes a suite of available intelligent trailering assistance technologies designed to help streamline the hitching and towing process, with integrated tools that help enhance customers' feelings of safety, confidence and visibility.